Hey everybody, it's me, Suzi Moon. You might be asking yourself, why is she in a dress? It's Wednesday. But tonight is a very special night. I am unboxing my brand new vinyl, Call the Shots. Woo! To go solo and to do something like this, it's exciting and scary and just fuck. I really wanted to respect the moment when I saw the record and held it in my hands for the first time. I feel like this really is a celebration. So I hope that you guys are as excited as I am, and we're gonna fucking bust this thing open. So cheers to Call the Shots. I have to say thank you to Pirates Press for believing in me and giving me this opportunity to press my record and put these songs out to the world. It is an honor to be working with you. I'm so happy, and let's fucking see this bad boy. Woo-hoo! Here it is, you guys. No. Well, I just broke the knife. Ooh. Dun, 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 dancing with the knife, oh yeah. Oh shit, I'm gonna need the knife again. This is the big moment. Holy shit, they're heavy. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm not ready. Am I ready? Are you ready? I don't know. Is anybody ever fucking ready? Nobody's fucking ever ready. It's vinyl. Okay? Oh my god. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Holy fuck. It's big. Wow. No way. Oh my god, you guys. Look at it. Wow. It's me. Can you fucking believe it? Oh my god. Holy shit balls. Look at the back. Oh my god. Track listing, Special Place in Hell. And then we got I'm Not a Man and I Don't Give a Damn. Followed by Nothing to Me. And these photos were shot by my great dear friend, Alex Picha. Okay guys, we're gonna look at the inside now. Ah! Oh my god. So here's a treat for you. It comes with even more pictures, y'all, but you gotta fucking buy it. How cool is that? It's fucking unreal. Holy shit. Okay, now this is the big moment. What have I been waiting for? Oh my god. Look, 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 look. It's fucking blue. It's fucking blue on the inside. Holy shit, you see it? Wow. Suzi Moon, that's fucking me, yeah. That's my record. Holy shit. Thank you so much, Pirates Press. You guys, it's beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being with me on this journey. I love you guys. Now be one of those 200 that gets this fucking blue one. Don't miss out on that. Special shit, man. And then the rest are black. Bring it to a show and I'll sign it for you. Yeah, just let me know what you think when you listen to it on your record player. Call the Shots, my new record, my new EP out on Pirates Press, May 21st, 2021. Also known as one of the best days of my life. So, yeah, and I just have to say thank you to all the players on this. You know, got Ricky Sticks, Andrew Champion, and it was recorded with Paul Rossler and Davey Warsop. And I've got backing vocals from Shearer Girl and Alicia Vigil and Justin McGrath. And I've just been really lucky to have amazing people in my life who believe in me. So thank you for just being on the fucking team and all of my fans and friends. This is absolutely surreal. And yay, I hope that this finds its way into your record collection. All right, love you guys. Thanks. Mwah.